Antalya St. St. Nicholas Memorial Museum. In 1087, merchants from Bari, who were sailing from Italy to Jerusalem by sea, stopped in Myra and stole the bones of St. Nicholas when they opened his grave. The sacred relics are preserved today in the Church of San Nicola, built in the name of the saint in Bari. The 12th century wall paintings depicting scenes from the life story of St. Nicholas in the tomb chamber, to the south of the church, are the only examples of the saint's cycle in Turkey. The communion, Christ offering bread and wine to his apostles, seen on the dome of the prophetess preparation room for Mass, to the northeast of the church, dating back to the 12th and 13th centuries. The wall paintings depicting the Desis scene in the third south chapel from the 13th century, and the finely crafted marble panels in the opus sectile technique on the floor coverings of the church are important examples of Byzantine art. According to architectural and archaeological data, it is accepted that the additional structures and the episcopal building Episcopian to the north of the church were built in the 11th to 12th centuries. In the late 12th century, as a result of a natural disaster, the bed of the Myros River changed, and with the arrival of muddy flood waters from the north, the city of Myra, the church and the additional structures to the north were filled with alluvial soil. Today, the urban fabric is approximately 6.00 meters above the ground level of the church. The structure continued to maintain its importance in the 19th century. A new bell tower, which has survived to the present day, was built during the excavation and repair works of the Russian Archaeological Institute in 1862–63 under the auspices of Russian Tsar Nicholas I. Following the cleaning and repair works of the Antalya Museum in the church in 1963–64, the architectural elements, and opus sectile panels of the church were examined in 1965 within the framework of the Myra project of the German Archaeological Institute. In the 1980s, the southern part of the church was covered with a steel and plastic roof by the Antalya Museum due to problems with the church's roofing system. In the excavations conducted between 1989 and 2009 under the leadership of Professor Dr. Yldz Ochukan from Hacettepe University, monastery structures, episcopian, bishopric, spaces related to the daily lives of the monks and graves were found in the northern area of the church. Excavation, conservation and restoration work is currently ongoing in the structure under the leadership of Professor Dr. Seema Doan by Hacettepe University.